Hey there, wellness enthusiasts. Welcome back to Slim Fit Shift, where we dive into the truth about health and fitness trends. Today we're talking about a supplement that's been making waves. MITOLYN. Is it worth your time and money? Let's find out in this honest review. So what exactly is MITOLYN? It's a dietary supplement that claims to boost your mitochondrial function, improve energy levels, and help with weight loss. Sounds amazing, right? But are these claims too good to be true? MITOLYN promises to enhance metabolism, promote fat burning, and boost your energy. It's marketed as a solution for anyone looking to shed a few pounds without drastically changing their lifestyle. But does the science back it up? The supplement claims to be based on Harvard research linking mitochondrial activity to weight loss. While mitochondria do play a key role in energy production, there's no concrete evidence showing that a single supplement like MITOLYN can lead to significant weight loss. Let's break it down. Pros: contains natural ingredients, manufactured in an FDA-registered facility, may provide an energy boost. Cons: lack of independent scientific evidence, exaggerated marketing claims, mixed reviews from users. It's a mixed bag, folks. Many users report feeling more energetic, but the weight loss results, those are all over the place. Some say it worked wonders, others saw no change at all. Remember, individual results may vary. So, is MITOLYN worth your time? Here's my take. It might help with energy levels, but don't rely on it as a magic solution for weight loss. Supplements can support a healthy lifestyle, but they're no substitute for balanced nutrition and exercise. That's it for today's review. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews. Let me know in the comments, have you tried MITOLYN? What was your experience? Until next time, stay healthy and take care.